In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when Google Chrome doesn't ask to save your Gmail password. This can be a bit frustrating if you're looking to streamline your login process, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through it, step by step. First, let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you'll see three vertical dots that serve as the main menu of Chrome. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu hosts a variety of options, but the one we're interested in is Settings. Go ahead and select Settings. Now that you're on the Settings page, you'll see quite a few categories on the left-hand side. Look for the section labeled Autofill. Autofill is a handy tool that helps you store various types of information. Under this Autofill section, you'll see an option for passwords. Click on Passwords to proceed to the next step. On the Passwords page, you're going to see several options that control how Chrome manages passwords. The key setting here is the one labeled Offer to Save Passwords. It's crucial that this toggle is switched on. If it's not, Chrome will not prompt you to save passwords. Double-check this setting to ensure that it's enabled. Simply click the toggle if it's turned off, and it should slide to the right and change color, indicating that it's now turned on. Now that the Offer to Save Passwords setting is on, Chrome should start asking you to save your credentials the next time you log into Gmail or any other website. If you're still having issues, try restarting the browser. It's possible that Chrome just needs a fresh start to begin implementing these new settings you've adjusted. Additionally, make sure that you're logged into Chrome with the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts on the same machine. Sometimes, settings might not sync accurately if you're logged into the wrong account. Another tip is to check if there's an update pending for your Chrome browser. Older versions might have bugs that have since been fixed in newer iterations. You can do this by going to the three dots menu, selecting Help, and then About Google Chrome. This will automatically check for updates and install them if available. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to having Google Chrome remember your Gmail password and prompts to save passwords as intended. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.